The stadium lights flickered as the crowd faded into the night, but one figure remained: the referee, alone at the center. By dawn, he was found dead, his whistle clutched tightly in his hand. The police discovered strange patterns carved into the whistle: 3 short blasts, 1 long, repeated over and over. No one could decipher the code. Was it a desperate cry for help or a warning to someone still out there? As rumors spread, one chilling question lingered in the empty stands. Who else heard the referee's secret signal that night, and what were they hiding?